So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to change the color of the background of the body of my web page, the overall background. Now, because body is an element, we just call it body. We open a brace, and then I'm just going to go background color. We can even select it if you like from there. And I'm going to actually use an element called ghost white, just an off-white. We semicolon on the end there, and then we close just like that. So there we've actually changed the background color. Now, in actual fact, if I wanted to, I could do background color, and then I could actually start writing a hash value for the color. So we'd have, say, hash. I could have FFFFFF, for example. That would change it to whatever color that related to, or F0, E0, etc. So you could actually use specific colors if you knew the actual color. And sometimes you actually have a color selector within the tool itself. It doesn't look like brackets has that, but the easiest way to do it is to actually go to a color selector on the web. There are plenty out there. Find the color that you want, note down the hash value, and then you can enter it here. Anytime you add a color, use a color tool within CSS, you can actually use the hash value to actually use it. As I say, in this case, I'm just going to use the ghost white. So if I save that, and then I go back to index, and then we actually look at index. The background now you can see is well, actually you probably can't tell, but there's actually a different color. It's a ghost white. When we actually start looking at the centering of the page, which is what we're going to do next, we'll have a different color, and then you can actually start seeing the different colors that we're going to be using. So that's just very quickly how to do any work within the body of the web page, in this case changing the color